This Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate Central Property video is presented by Kristi Russell. Cute and charming 3-bedroom/2 bath. Nice sun porch and covered front porch. You won't believe the spacious 2-car detached garage with water/gas/electric and an amazing upstairs workshop. Newer appliances and windows. Metal roof and full basement for additional storage or finish for added square footage. All this is nestled on March 4th acre lot. Close to shopping and schools. New water and gas lines, new H2O tank, updated bathroom, metal roof in 2013. Hardwoods under some carpet if not all. For more information, review the details below or contact Kristi Russell at 304-776-7653.